This was never about money for Mr. Depp. So this was about restoring his reputation, and he's done that.
Did Johnny Depp's lawyers just hint the actor may not collect his $10.4 million payout from ex-wife Amber Heard? Here's what we know. Benjamin Chew and Camille Vasquez dropped by Good Morning America on Wednesday. They repped Johnny in his defamation suit against Amber, which he won last week, and say the actor's more than satisfied with the outcome.
George, we obviously can't disclose attorney-client communications, but as Mr. Depp testified, and as we both made clear in our respective closings, this was never about money for Mr. Depp. So this was about restoring his reputation, and he's done that.
So they won't say for sure what will happen, but since it seems unlikely that Amber can afford the damages, Johnny might accept little to no payout.
It sounds like that's something that could be on the table, but it's up to Ms. Heard.
Again, we have to be careful what we say, but this was about Mr. Depp's reputation. That was what it was about for him. It was a total win for Johnny.
And he seems to be riding high on the win in court and the court of public opinion.
It was like the weight of the world had been taken off his shoulders, and I feel that finally, after 6 years, he's gotten his life back.
The actor signed up for TikTok after the high-profile trial ended. Clips from the case went viral on the app over the course of the 6-week legal battle.
Ms. Heard, there is no question pending, and I would appreciate it if you wouldn't be making argument to the jury.
Sorry, I thought you had asked me about it.
No, I didn't ask you about anything.
In his first video, Johnny thanked his loyal and unwavering supporters and promised to move forward together, which didn't sit right with Amber. Her spokesperson told ET, quote, "As Johnny Depp says he's moving forward, women's rights are moving backward." And in a separate statement, Amber's team slammed Johnny's lawyers for making the press rounds after the trial. Quote, "It is as unseemly as it is unprofessional that Johnny Depp's legal team has chosen to do a victory lap for setting back decades of how women can be treated in the courtroom." Now, for what it's worth, Amber's lawyer also made the TV rounds before Johnny's.
Well, her next move is appeal. There were
But she's heartbroken.
She is heartbroken.
Cut to Camille on Wednesday. She fired back at Amber's claims that talking about the case is unprofessional.
I think it's disappointing. We're only speaking about what happened in this case, right? And the facts in this case were overwhelmingly positive for Johnny, and the verdict speaks for itself.
Camille, who became a breakout star of the trial, also refutes claims that Johnny's win sets back the Me Too movement and might make victims of domestic abuse afraid to speak out.
You don't see this as a setback to the movement in any way, shape, or form?
We do not. We believe that the verdict speaks for itself. The facts are what they were. The jury made a unanimous decision based on those facts.
Camille even goes as far as to point out that all evidence in the case came from Amber.
I think that her impression on the jury was what it was. I think something that I focused on and we focused on in that cross-examination was using her words against her. And it was very important for us to, every question that was asked was tied to something she had said previously. And I think the jury got to see and the world got to see and hear from Ms. Heard in that relationship on every single topic.